I will studying the lag operon. Lag operon is a system of gene which regulate the protein synthesis. Means the protein will also regulate the on and off condition of gene. So this is the lag operon. This operon is related with lag operon. The scientist which proposed the lag operon is Jacob and Monod. Jacob and Monod. In this operon, the transcription is regulated. In this operon, the transcription is regulated by the repressor protein. This is the repressor protein formed by special type of inhibitory gene. I for inhibitory gene, not for inducer. Always learn this inducer gene. Inhibitory gene on action, on transcription, on transcription give rise the mRNA. You can see the mRNA which at time of translation converted into the repressor protein. This is the repressor protein. This repressor protein bind with the gene, means there is an interaction between protein and gene. Bind with the gene on this type. See this type, the operator become inactive. So these genes are non-functional. Inactive condition will be seen in the normally when the glucose medium is present, because Escherichia coli. In Escherichia coli, this set of genes are present. Escherichia coli requires glucose. When present is glucose, the gene system are operated in the glucose medium. But when this Escherichia coli kept in lactose sugar, the lactose sugar enters into the Escherichia coli and bind with the repressor protein. You can see this type of repressor protein, this inducer or lactose sugar bind with the repressor protein. So this repressor protein cannot bind the operator. This repressor protein cannot bind the operator. So mRNA stimulate promoter and these genes become functional. So Z genes form beta galactosidase. Beta galactosidase is the enzyme formed after transcription from Z gene. This is the structural gene. ZYA is the structural gene. From this gene, Y gene, enzyme form named permease. This enzyme allow lactose sugar enter into the Escherichia coli cytoplasm, and at last the A gene form trans-acetylase, which also help in transcription. So we can see that this set of gene, how this set of gene on and how the set of gene become off. So always in off condition because it is a negative regulation, because the environment of the surrounding around Escherichia coli is glucose. The glucose, when glucose is present, the gene or set of gene become off. But when this Escherichia coli kept in the lactose medium, the gene of set of gene become functional, in which the lactose sugar, which is also called inducer, bind with the repressor protein. So repressor protein cannot bind the operator gene. This is the point. This is the point when lactose sugar is present, the repressor protein cannot bind the operator. The operator gene become free. So the promoter gene is stimulated by mRNA and all the three structural genes become functional, form particular proteins like beta galactosidase, this is the enzyme, permease, this is the enzyme, and trans-acetylase, this is also enzyme. The metabolism of the lactose sugar is done by beta galactosidase, in which the lactose sugar converted into glucose and galactose. Glucose and galactose. When the gene setup is on, glucose and galactose are formed, and glucose is used by the Escherichia coli. So this operon explain that if Escherichia coli in glucose medium, they will function like this. In this condition, the set of gene become off, but when it kept in lactose sugar, the set of gene become on, and lactose sugar get metabolized into glucose and galactose. Thank you for watching.